Here we are, about to set off on a walk. It's absolutely throwing it down. Good thing is that means the snow melts while we're out, so nobody should be breaking their neck, hopefully. Touch wood, touch wood. So it's cold. Sarah's brought me some fingerless gloves, so only my fingers are getting cold now, but it means I can operate the camera. So we'll catch up with you later. We're setting off from the Duckworth Arms in Edenfield, or near Edenfield, and we're walking down over that hill over there somewhere, towards where that steam is over there. So we'll catch up with you when we set off. Right, we're off now. We're going to head down this lane. Oh, we're not going down that lane, that's a private road. Ooh. Stopped already.
And a bit, there's nowhere to wait.
Right, we're already one down. One's give up already. The road's like ice. Well, it is ice. So we're on the grassy bit. I'm going to venture across. Shit. There. I made it. We're getting a bit rough on that side. I'm crossing a bridge full of ice and it goes downhill. This could be interesting. I'll speak to you at the other end if I make it. Oh, so far so good. There's the motorway. There's the motorway. Coming up to the paddock campsite now. I doubt there's going to be anybody here at this time of year because it's mainly yurts and pods and things like that. Yep, I think it's a bit cold to be in them today. Well, the horses seem warm enough. That one's got a coat on. Baby steps, baby steps, baby steps. So the rain's come again, hopefully it'll melt some of this ice. They're not part of our group, they're another group. And we thought we were daft doing 4 miles today. They're doing 15. They've walked from Bolton. Right, we're dropping down into Stubbins now. And there's the River Erwell at the side of us. And the icicles down there. It's alright. Oh, so we're all that way. Welcome to Stubbins. The trouble is when it's icy like this, you can't only take baby steps. So it takes a lot longer to go where you wanted to go. Oh look. very familiar. Take a photo of you, Arnold. Hello. I believe we're in Strong Street. You know, I've never walked around here. It's only a few miles from our house. I didn't know bananas grew on walls. Some kind of castle up there. A wall with turrets round it anyhow. Cones. Lots and lots of cones. Some kind of mill down there. I haven't either. So apparently this is a National Trust property. Well, when I set off today, I didn't think I'd be doing a National Trust property. I know, I better catch up with others. It's about it being snowy nice. I'm not that didn't lose too much time standing in there. I'm wondering whether we'll see the steam train on our journeys today. I'm not sure whether it's running in January and February. St. Ubin's Apiary, home of Rammy Runny Honey. Bees at work. Yeah, that's what they're doing. They're going this way, aren't they? That was a bit of an hill to get down. Over there. Now we've got an icy bridge. I love the little stream going underneath it. The National Trust, Stubbins Estate. If I can zoom in, I'll zoom in because there's icicles on that waterfall. Just had to negotiate that rocky, icy climb up, like rocks like this but covered in ice. We've steered clear of the icy path again and come along the snowy hill bank. That was a bit unintentional, I didn't mean to go around in a circle. My glove got stuck on the tree branch. Another path to negotiate downhill before we climb uphill again. Now we've got to do some limboing under a tree. I did it.
I was looking at the top, I was looking at it.
In the distance, I'll try and zoom in again on the thing. You can see the Duckworth Arms where we started from. And that's where we're making our way back to. It's a bit of a disaster because it means we've got to go down and then back up. Just come down that slippy, slidey hill. This looks a bit dodgy down here. 100 metres was downhill with a stile at 3 metres from the top. So I didn't film this section as I needed both hands free.
Next Wednesday it is.
It's like glass, this stuff. I'll put camera away again. Fernclough 1810. Right, we've got an old mill here, and I'm worried that the battery's going, so I'm going to say this is the end of the video. We've only got a couple hundred yards and we're back at the yeah, we're back at the pub in a couple hundred yards, so I'll call this the end of the video. If you liked the video, thank you for watching and please subscribe.